Hi everyone and welcome back to Excel with. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep one cell constant in Excel, and we'll do so by using this example. We have three products, their prices and their total price, and we also have the quantity which is constant. So we want to know the total price of each laptop. So the first thing to start with, we just have to type in our formula, which is the price of the laptop multiplied by the quantity which is 30, and we get our total price to be 24,000 USD. So normally we'll just drag and drop for the rest, but as you can see we are getting 0, which means our quantity is not constant in the formula. As you can see on the formula bar, the total price for laptops is F6, which is 800 multiplied by F2, which is the quantity. So we need to have the quantity to be constant as we drag and drop down the column. So what we need to do to correct this and to ensure that one cell is always constant, we are going to just click on the total price here, and in front of your F or your column, add a dollar sign and another dollar sign in front of your row. Sorry. And then click enter. So since we've done that, as you can see, this is now the formula that you are going by. Drag and drop, it changes, so it ensures that your F2, which is the quantity now, is constant as you drag down. So this is how you normally keep one cell constant. So just to recap, the first thing that you need to do is you create the formula, which we've done so here. That is by F6, adding the dollar sign in front of the column and another dollar sign in front of the row. And then that's the second thing. The third thing now is to copy the data which you've done so and drag down to the other cell. So if you have any questions regarding this, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and if you want us to do another video different from what we do, please feel free to tell us in the comment section. Otherwise, as always, thank you for always watching, and I hope you benefit from the videos that we do. Thank you and goodbye.